Namaste, everyone. This is Harsha Ramaya. So, today I'm very happy that I'm going live simultaneously on two Facebook pages, one Small Wonders and one Parent Station. So, last year we launched this Parent Station page on Facebook, and it's really accepted and appreciated by all the parent community. So, specifically, this page was created to keep all the parenting related posts, all the parenting related information on one page. So, thank you so much. And before we start today's discussion that I have decided to talk, I'll just tell you two, three important things that if you've not liked and followed Small Wonders and Parent Station page, please do it right away. Because every single day, both these pages are going to have lots and lots of new varieties for you all, which is going to be very, very helpful to you all. Second important thing is that tomorrow is the Father's Day and International Yoga Day. So on Father's Day, as I had promised, I'm coming up with a talk show, a candid talk show with a couple of fathers whom I've invited, and we'll have a little rapid fire round with those fathers. So stay tuned tomorrow at 5 p.m. And for yoga, what we have done is we have collaborated with Kotak Bank Mahindra. So we have created a poster. When you click on that link, you can get your e-yoga poster frame. So that link also I have shared that, and it's very easy. And I received a lot of pictures today. So the only thing that you have to do is you have to pose take up any favorite pose of yoga. You have to click a picture, and when you go to that link, you can upload, and you will get a ready-made template. So it's a beautiful feature. So try that out, and let me start with today's discussion. So very nice topic. I was just, going. As I said, I love reading quotes. I love reading proverbs. So as I was going through, I just came across one proverb that I really liked. That said about self-reliance and self-resilience. So I tried to formulate those two words in the thought that I could create. So what I have done is a beautiful quote, a beautiful parenting tip, I would say, not a quote, but a beautiful parenting tip that I think is very, very essential, very, very important, and very, very, very interesting. So, this parenting tip I will read. It says, allow children to deal with their problems and give them chance to find their own solutions. Do not jump to solve the problems. They will reach then to the self reliance and self resilience. What a beautiful thought! What a beautiful thought, and what beautiful choice of words, really. So, two things that I have, three things rather, I have picked up from this thought is number one is allow. So, this word itself means freedom. So I think that in today's generation, it is very important to give freedom to the children. So when I use this term called freedom, it means that आपको जो मर्जी करना हो करो. So this is, always misinterpreted. So I just want to make certain things clear that when we are using this word allow is not जो मर्जी करो. It is when the children fall in any difficulty phase, leave them and allow them to solve their problems. Now, let me take you to a 2-year-old child, and I will take you to a 20-year as well. So, when this 2-year-old child is just figuring out to solve a puzzle, and I, as a parent, am sitting there and observing or just taking interest and am inquisitive that what the child is doing. But as a mother, I am impatient because at that particular time, a teacher in me awakens and I want to teach my child the correct arrangement of that puzzle. So, what I do is I jump in between and I try to help that child. Now, what I am doing is I am taking that allow factor from the child, that freedom factor from the child. Because when the child was engrossed and engaged in solving that arrangement, he had a lot of calculations in his mind. But what I did, just to teach, because ये structure मैं जैसे design कर रही हूँ, it is correct. To give that correct education, I stepped in and I ruined everything. The same thing happens with a 20-year-old. And when I mean a 20-year-old means a teen. So teen से बड़ा जो भी adult है, आप 20 ले लो, 15 ले लो, 22 ले लो, all fall in the same category. Now here, these children also need this word allow. And when I mention allow for teenagers or above that age, allow means to give them space for themselves. Now here also we as parents, we are that kind of a community जिनको बच्चों की भलाई में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, पर बच्चों की भलाई के साथ साथ what we are doing in that process of doing bhalai or showing our kindness or showing out our help, what we are doing, we are ruining their building structure. इस एज में जब टीन्स में बच्चे चले जाते हैं तो उनको चाहिए थोड़ा फ्रीडम टू थिंक, टू डिसाइड, टू एक्ट, टू फॉल, टू फेल. Allow them to do that, because only then they will gain confidence. Only then they will be able to then analyze that this is correct and this is wrong. Because if we jump and we solve, it is our perspective of an arrangement of a puzzle or of any relationship. If the child has figured this out, he will automatically get that sense कि ये करना है या ये नहीं करना है. Let them fail, let them fall. Now comes this very, very important word, self-reliance. It's very important. I've written a few lines. I've just taken these lines from the Google meaning, what it means when we say self-reliance. Exactly, I've just picked up the same lines and I give complete credit to Google. Self-reliance is the ability to do things and make decision by yourself. And today, if we are going to intervene, we are going to interject, we are going to interfere, it is not going to help. So it is very important for us to be at the backstage, to be at the back seat, to be at the back door and enter only when needed. Also, the proportion of our entry should be very, very limited and very, very restricted, because I will connect this with Sushant Singh Rajput also, because I think somewhere he failed in these qualities. That is why he took this step. Second important quality that I want to talk, that every one of us, specifically from the very early childhood, the children should develop is self-resilience. So when I will give you that definition, which I have taken from Google, I'll read it out and then you will be able to connect this definition exactly with Sushant Singh Rajput, because I have mentioned his name. So, self-resilience is defined as the capacity to recover from the difficult times. It's your ability to withstand and bounce back. So, why I am using this terminology to explain to you all, because I think that self-resilience is the best, the important, and the only tool that will help us struggle and keep us standing wherever we are in our life. Because, as I mentioned, that life always gives you tough calls. And at that point of time, if we do not have this self resilience, we will not be able to withstand any difficulty that comes across us. And the foundation of developing a good self resilience starts from the very childhood. So it's very important to, as I mentioned, I will again put this word in front of you, allow. Give that freedom to the children to allow. मैंने पहले भी कहा था and I will again underline, it's not जो मर्जी करो. Whenever children are involved in anything, allow the freedom from the start to finish कि आपको क्या करना है. Let them do, let them figure out. Once they have done this in a regular process, they will build up a good thinking process. and this will help them to develop self-reliance and self-resilience, which is very, very important. Because in today's times, I think that apart from anything else, our EQ, that is the emotional quotient, should be taken care of, because that is at stake. Finances is not at stake, because I am sure that वो कैसे भी करके आ जाता है. But if you have, मैंने एक बहुत पहले ये कहावत सुनी थी, आई थिंक पांडुरंग शास्त्री के किसी लेक्चर में, ऑन द ऑडियो आई हैड लिसन long back, I think 15, 18 years back, I'm talking about, because I think now he is no more. But बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने कहा था, और ये बात मेरे को तब से छू गई है. So he said that if you have capable children, it was about, the whole discussion was happening about कि बच्चों के लिए हम क्या छोड़ के जा सकते हैं in terms of finance. So he said, if you have capable children, so you don't need to do anything for them. They will do for themselves. Okay? Very nice line. That if you have capable children, तो उनके लिए तो कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. वो अपने आप ही सब कुछ कर लेंगे. Second, if you have those children, those breed of children जो capable नहीं है, तो उनके लिए क्या छोड़ के जाने की जरूरत है? It touched my heart, and till today, this thought remains with me, that very rightly said about the finances. So I think that as parents, if we want to give anything to our children, it's these characteristics that we can give, this thought process we can give, this freedom we can give, the ability to fight against the tough times. I think if that quality we try to develop, I think we've given enough. बाकी तो जिंदगी में पैसे आते जाते रहते हैं, मेहनत तो करनी ही पड़ती है. So if you are at the top, to remain at the top, you have to work hard. And of course, if you are at the bottom, definitely वहां पे तो मेहनत करना ही है. So I think let's not focus. I think when I watch Mahabharat, every single time Krishna tells Arjuna, and I really like that word also, that कर्म फल तो तुम्हारे वश में है ही नहीं. At any point of time, if you are saving lakhs and crores of rupees for your children, uh, that's not in your hands, because many times we've heard a lot of cases कि कितनी जायदाद थी फिर भी बच्चों को कुछ काम नहीं आया. So I think ये जो जायदाद हम बच्चों को देकर जाएंगे, this thought process, this building of their characteristics, if we are investing in that, I think it will go a long way. So it's very important. So again, I will flash these three words in front of you. Allow, don't misinterpret this word. Allow means जो मर्जी करो नहीं, जो भी आप चीज कर रहे हो उसमें करने का freedom. Second means the process in the freedom I'm talking about. टीवी देखना है 12 बजे तक, मोबाइल में गेम खेलना है, not that allowed, because today's parents are doing this. Second is self-reliance. So you can check out for the meaning in the Google also. I have also talked about it. And self-resilience. These are the three important uh, thumb जिसको बोलते हैं of parenting. So it's very important, and enjoy parenting. So see you tomorrow, same time. If anything, any queries you have, definitely I will love if you post them in the comment section box. So before I end my session for today, let me see what everyone has said. So here I have a beautiful comment by Bhumiba. Resilience is most required these days. Completely agreed, Bhumiba. And then I have Sejal Desai, super Bharsha ma'am. Thank you so much. But any point of time in the entire day you're watching this show, you are live, or after this live session you're watching me, drop in a hi. I would love to revert back with a lovely hello. So this is bye from my side. See you tomorrow again live at 5 with Dads. Bye bye.